You guys asked to do puff puff. This is puff puff. You see? So it's ready. I've mixed everything. So after I mix everything, finish, you will leave it for 1 hour or 40 minutes so that it will rise before you can fry it. Sorry for not showing you. You have to mix it. That will be next time because I am hurrying. Today is my baby birthday. So you put groundnut oil. You wait a little bit for the groundnut oil to get hot. So let's check if the groundnut oil is yet hot. I've washed my hand very well. Let me test it with little. Yes, it's hot.
Mama, kan alles mitnehmen. Kan alles mitnehmen, Mama.
Was ist das?
Alles mitnehmen. Diese.
Ja, ich habe dir schon gesagt, ja. Du darfst. Ist dein Geburtstag.
Jetzt mein Geburtstag.
Ja, heute. Ja. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my baby boy.
Then von der Geburtstag.
Happy birthday to you.
Zum Geburtstag viel Glück.
Mhm.
Zum Geburtstag viel Glück.
Yeah.
Zum Geburtstag liebe Gott. Zum Geburtstag
Glück, Glück. Yeah, sing for your fans.
Zum Geburtstag viel Glück.
Mhm.
Zum Geburtstag viel Glück.
Ja.
Zum Geburtstag, liebe Gott, zum Geburtstag viel Glück.
Sehr gut. Du hast gut gesehen, ja? Sehr gut.
Mami,
Did you guys see it? See it? Let's do more. Bulat. Hello, good luck.
Wow.
Hallo Gulav,
Was?
wie geht es dir?
Gut.
Weißt du, dass heute dein Geburtstag ist?
Ja.
Weißt du das? Good. Heute hast du Geburtstag feier im den Kindergarten.
Yeah, I show everybody Popov
Ja.
and my Überraschung Süßigkeit.
Bof, bof, bof. As you dey put am for the oil, you go just dey rise. If you no rise, you know say that no be puff puff. The other thing you go do so. So as you put am for the oil, you must rise. Okay, first, almost finished. Yeah. You see, it's almost finished. Thank you guys for watching. If you like our video, like, follow, comment. It's my children platform. So I just want to put it inside. Can you see one of the puff? Oh my god. I don't want to use my hand to rub it. Can you guys see it? Do you guys like it? If you like it, comment I like it. And say the puff puff look good. And like too. If you don't turn sometimes, some will turn by itself, some you have to turn it so that you will not get burnt. One side will not get burnt. This one is almost ready. Almost. Because I want it to brown a little bit so that everything will turn inside. This is house-made puff puff. Bring me a grocer.
Feel.
Yeah, feel it. Okay?
Okay, I'll take you.
Can see it's ready. Let's pack it now. It's ready. It's ready. It is my baby birthday puff. It is for celebration. Today, I remember when I was giving birth to my baby boy. Being in labor. But today now, I'm frying puff puff for the labor. Frying puff puff. Thank you guys for watching. Do you see it? Can't you see how you look clean? You will always use fresh oil. Don't use the oil that you have used before. Otherwise, it will get what? Black. You see the puff puff, guys? Do you see it, guys? It look yummy. See it, guys? So I have to put it here so that it will not get cold. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. I wish my baby happy birthday. Bye.